It's time to shop my insurance again. Oh no. Hey, what's going on? It's Ryan from Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are on a mission to transform the way individuals, families, and small business owners secure financial stability. And one thing that's really important year to year in doing that is making sure you're getting a good rate for the coverages and the risks that are involved in your insurance situation. Price shopping, it's a normal thing in this industry. Some agents may fuss and cry about it. They may try to keep you from doing that, from shopping your insurance. Now, there's one thing to keep in mind here, especially. There's really two types of agents. There's an agent that can offer you just one company's policy, their product. They are exclusive with that one company. Then there are other types of agents, an independent agent, and they have many relationships with many different insurance companies, and they can offer you maybe a dozen quotes year to year. That might not be the best route to go. That might be information overload. But if you have multiple companies that you can go to, ask for a quote, find out what the rates are for your situation, then that makes the most sense. What you need is an agent who's on your side, someone that understands, yes, I get it. You want to pay the appropriate premium for your risk. And what that looks like for you is different than your next door neighbor. It just is. And it's different from what you might see on TV. You might not be able to save 15% in 15 minutes by going to whoever down the road. What you need to understand is shopping your insurance is about the next 12 months. Your insurance rates are about the next 12 months. Insurance companies, they're going to look at your loss history, what's happened in the last 12 months, 24, 36, could even go 7 years back, looking at your history of losses and driving activity and things like this. But that may not matter as much, especially if you don't have any losses or claims, right? What they care about is the next 12 months. You may have missed last May's hailstorm by half a mile. No loss. Great, good. That's wonderful. But what are the odds that the next 12 months you're going to get hit with that hailstorm? That's what they're trying to calculate. They're more worried about the next 12 months and what is the appropriate price for the odds that they're going to pay a claim. So, yes, of course, knowing the history and loss history, these things are very important. And of course, insurance companies want to know that. But it's the next 12 months that they're calculating a rate based off of. It's all about predictions. So what you want is an agent who has insurance companies. They have multiple relationships with multiple companies. They have a relationship with multiple companies where they can get quotes from these companies that are interested in providing insurance for you and your specific risk. You want an agent that is okay with that. They understand. They want to give you the best price. Now, the thing to keep in mind here is, especially when you're going from one agent to the next, you have to look at those coverages, because if they are just trying to keep your business, or if this company is trying to win your business, then they might cut out some coverages. They might lower some limits or completely get rid of a coverage that you really need. This could be the 1 year that you need that specific coverage or that higher limit. And if you're just trying to save a dime, that's a dangerous game to be playing. So you want to make sure that you're looking over your options, making sure that not only is the rate good, but is the product, are the coverages there that you're needing. So at Smith & Sons, we're happy to do that year to year. We want to have an annual policy review with our clients to make sure that the rates are right, but that all the coverages are being discussed and covered if possible. And ultimately, that's up to our clients, but we want to have that conversation every year. So if you're interested in us taking a look at your insurance, we would be happy to do that. We can schedule a time, get on the phone, or meet in person to do that. Just give us a call. The number is here in the video comments, in the description below. And give us a like, give us a comment, maybe subscribe. But most importantly, tell a friend about us, maybe a colleague or family member. Let them know that we're putting out information here on YouTube to try and educate people, because that's what we love most about this business, educating people on protecting themselves and their loved ones and their assets. So again, I'm Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, and you can give us a call anytime. Thanks.